Hi, it's Joe over at Social Web Pros. So I'm here at your GMB, Google My Business, and I've done some optimizing. I've added several other cities that were not on there. You just had Orange County. And the reason you want cities is because if I'm sitting in Anaheim Googling for your product, trying to find in the search engines, um, it'll pick up Anaheim because I'm sitting in Anaheim in my house, and you are listed as being in Anaheim. The county is broad, and you want to be more specific in the areas that you serve. Um, this looks good. Your time, your hours of operation, your phone number's there. Your website's under review. It won't show up on the live page. So that's going to take a couple days. These guys are also really slow because of what's going on, so they're not on it as fast as they normally are. They usually take care of this within 24 hours, 48 hours. Um, yeah, your services, what you offer, that's good. Let's see here. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, so you added your primary category is the retail store, uh, but here are your subcategories. And so um, I added all the categories you had in your price list. Okay, so that's done. Um, so that should go here. That's in here. Um, Services, and then your products. I added several products here. I didn't, my gig, it includes optimizing it in 5 photos, and I included 5 photos, and I optimized each product. I can do all of your products. You have about 36 products. I can enter all of them, and this is how they show um, on your live. This is your live GMB, and all your info is on here. You still need your website, but it won't show up until you get it approved. But here's your products, the ones I added. View all of them, and with your phone number, and the nice thing about this is that um, each product has a sub page of your website. So if you go here, order online, I have a lot of windows open, so it's kind of slow. So here's this product, right? The weight loss product, and here's your page, and here's a product right here. And so each product that you list is gonna list your website. It's a sub page of your website. So and the phone number and the company name. And so it really adds a lot of authority to your website. Okay. I can add all 36 products onto your GMB for $200. I'll just put a note on the email so you know, but I'll add everything you have. Most categories are on here. I may be missing a few, but the products are not all on there. Okay. Um, you got to do some posts. I did this post for you. I did this one and this one about the COVID-19 that you are open, and I just copied what you had on your main page, that you're not under any rule of being shut down, and then this one about you being open for orders online, etc., with a photo of your business, and this is what it looks like live. Um, so here once again, here's all the products, and then the reviews. You have one review, I think I saw, and then the information on your GMB, and then here's my post the one about I did about an hour ago, and then this one here. And so what you want to do is, you see this, um, your business, you should be listed all over here too. And here's your website. Like, you should be a Rash, but there's other websites here because you don't have enough content. See, I built this site for this man in Arizona, Mr. Clean Pool Service, and I do a lot of stuff for him. I manage all his social media and his websites. But as you can see, um, he is like a Rash on the internet. I built a Facebook page, a Yelp account for him, all these different sites I did for him, a YouTube channel, and then he sends me a lot of photos of him doing work, so I put it in different parts of the internet, whether it's a Yelp or Facebook, an Instagram, Bing, Yahoo, Yellow Yellow. But you see, he is the only one on this one page. These are ads. These are paid ads. These guys are paying. But see, I'm at the end of the first page, and he is like a Rash. And that's what gets you to the first page of Google searches. You gotta just do a lot of work to the website, and have some really good content on the website. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. Um, Back to your GMB. Okay, so the post, you gotta post once a week, twice a month, 3 times a month, whatever you have time, or I can manage this for you, but you need to just post a lot. The info looks good. The products are growing, they look good. The websites should be up. And then, I'm doing some ads for him too, for this guy here. Um, you can do a budget of as small as $50. And when you are spending $50 a month, I'm talking about a month, that ad alone can generate a lot of Google authority as well, because you're advertising on Google, you're giving them money, and so they like to put you in front of other people because you're giving them some money. So and again, it's a $50 a month. That's the minimum you can invest a month with them. You can do that as well to help rank. Um, Also, excuse me, um, you are relatively new. You just opened up. This website was bought or registered just a few months ago, and so you don't have any authority. The website needs work. We need to do some backlinks. I think I sent you a shot of your backlinks. See, this is your competitor, CBD.org. He has 801 backlinks. That's massive, right? But he's been around for a year now, and somebody's probably doing this for him. He's got 126 referring domain, and his domain rating is already a 7. And so, let me pause this and show you yours. I think I showed you yours. Yeah, you have 4 and 1, and this is, I think, zilch. So we need to optimize it. We need to get these numbers, these matrix numbers up for your website. Um, this looks pretty good. It's your price list, and your website looks good. I just would recommend that you not that you add the ability to order through your website and not have to call or email. Most of these types of businesses have websites that you can order. There's stores online. I built this one. It's a tool store. They sell abrasives, and people want to be able to order. Right now they're pushing the masks and the hand sanitizers, but they sell the masks. They used to sell the masks to shops, that welding shops and that kind of the business. But anyway, click on the product. You know, you want this one, click on that one, and then we want to order. Boom, add it to the cart. You know, you want to order 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, add it to the cart, um, and check out. You know, please select. Oh, I gotta select one. Okay, boom, add it to the cart. So that's what you want to do. You want to be able to do an order online like this. Rarely do people want to call and you know, they want, you want to make it as easy as possible. And so that's my recommendation, that you know, you build a store, and that you know, give people the ability to order. Okay, so in addition to your website, adding a store type of website, we need to just add more content that's relevant. You have little content, you know, you got CBD 33 times, which is great, but let's see, oils. Oils, you only have it once, as you can see. Topical, none. Pet, you have it once, and that's the actual product. So the website needs to mention the products in you know, in a paragraph, and you can hide that paragraph. You can hide that content. You know, most of the websites I build have the ability to hide content, and so when you are building the site, you can put a bunch of verbiage, blah 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 blah, like all this. I mean, hardly ever anybody ever goes to uh, you know, pages of information. They just want to see photos and click on the product. You can have all this content. We have to have 1,000 words, 2,000 words of content with keywords, pool equipment, you know, the keywords that you want, CBD oil, CBD topicals, pet CBD pet products. You want to have all that scattered throughout your website, and you rarely have anything. You need to have at least, you know, yeah, this guy's a pool service guy, right? So he's got uh, pool service 12 times. Okay, pool cleaning 14 times. So, you know, you don't want to do much more than that. You don't want to be too spammy, but you want to make sure that your website has keywords, so when people search for those keywords, you pop up. That's part of SEO. And so, you know, we can build that for you, if you want, because you need to. This is great, but again, you want to get people here, and people search a certain way. Just think of how people search, and then we need to add that language on here, and then we can, like I said, create some pages under these pages and just hide them so people don't see them. It'll just be purely for SEO. And anyway, so we'll do more posts for you. If you hire us, we'll put all your products up, um, and we'll help you with your website. We'll do more content. We'll do shop so people can order, and we can, you know, get you up and running. We'll do more citations. These are all citations and backlinks, um, and so we can help you with all that. Okay, so I'll leave this here, and if you're interested in our service to help you rank higher, let us know, and I'll put a proposal together for you. So this is it for GMB. I'm going to do your Yelp now. Okay, hope this information makes sense to you. Thank you.